Yeah, I just want to do a video regarding credit. It's really very important to build your credit, and it saves you a lot of money in the long term. You really want to start that ASAP. Sometimes it takes a little bit of while to take care of that and to make that happen, but you can go bounce back if you have poor credit, if you've had bad credit. I've been there, and re-up my credit score and get that back up to over almost 700 on credit score. I've been there. So this is one of the credit. I'm gonna show a lot of different ways you can build your credit, and this is one of them. You can literally just raise your credit score for free with the experience boost. So you just sign up, start that boost. It will tell you what to do or what you can improve on, but it usually give you a boost. Um, the other one I have is the credit builder, Credit Karma. They have a credit builder, and a lot of people say, there's a lot of testimonials that they've had good credit score after using this. Of course, you want to have a good control of your money, and you're just not spending all the money in there. So this program they have actually is a credit builder savings account. If you set up an auto save program, they will automatically transfer the money from your line of credit to the builder savings account. And actually, it tells you every payment auto save will pay off every time you have a every time you pay, every payment auto save will pay off your line of credit balance from your Credit Karma money spent. So you gotta have a checking account, and then you they'll actually give you that line of credit, and then your credit building savings account will pay that line of credit. And you can even use um, you know bank payments made before, always turn it off. Okay, so it says here building your credit and save. Every time you pay total $500 towards your savings account, we unlock that amount for you, and the $500 is transferred to your unlocked credit money account. And as you keep saving, we keep unlocking $500 in credit. So basically, you gotta have the credit, and it reports to three bureau, the main three bureau. Um, and there's that one. So they actually you get a credit builder account with a line of credit. That's how it works, and then you transfer money from your checking to savings, and then and then that will pay that credit builder account over time. And then they unlock that $500 every single time. And there's another one here. If you want to sign up for monitoring service, there's free ones out there, the Vantage Score. But if you don't, this also has monitoring, for the FICO monitoring alerts. So if you don't want to do that, you can to understand your FICO score to get credit reports and alerts from three bureaus. You can do that. You can look at your pricing here. There's free ones, see what you get there. There's advanced premier, to have monitoring on your account, your credit, especially if you have perfect credit. They always want to monitor, make sure there's no fraud, there's no alerts going on with your social security or anything like that. Vantage is actually free. I like Vantage because if you're already using a lot of these providers, they will give you that. Like Capital One uses CreditWise to get free Vantage score. It's like a FICO score, but it's different service. It also gives you credit scores, build your credit, and reports to TransUnion. And like Chase is using that to give you that. It shows your credit while you're choosing using the Chase credit. And Credit Karma also uses Vantage. It shows the scores from TransUnion and Equifax. Basically, if you have one of these two, you'll get all of them from all the credit score that you have from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Credit Sesame has the Lending Tree, Nav, Nerd Wallet, uses Vantage Score, One Main Financial, Savvy Money, Self as well use Vantage Score, Synchrony, um, as well doing using TransUnion. US Bank also has that. So if you already have all these accounts, you can literally get your credit score from these sites, the Vantage Score. Another one, I have is the Chime. They have a credit building as well. It says you just gotta have a checking account, and they will create the credit builder secured account for you. Is the amount that you can spend on your card. Use credit builder anywhere Visa credit cards are. It's like a secure card that they have a credit builder card. It says the more the money you move to credit builder, so it comes from your debit, and then they will move it to the credit builder account. It's like a secure card that they have, and then that will automatically pay your monthly balance on time with the safer credit building features. And I like about Chime too, they don't really have a lot of fees, which is really great. Even maintenance manual fees, they have a lot of good benefits. They even have fee-free ATMs and other services sending money received to Chime users. It's really great. Check it out. It's less fees as well, so it's really good. And a lot of people, see they have no annual fees, no interest, large security, no credit check to apply. So it's really great. So if you're really, serious on building your credit, you can check out these sites that I'm sharing. There's another one here. There's a lot of secure credit card. You can go to your local credit union, see if they offer it. If you do not qualify with the regular credit cards, you can always use secure card, which sometimes you have to pay $100 to up to $500 um, limits. There's a bunch of them out there. You can check it out and see. Make sure that you look at the fees, their annual fees, maintenance fees, whatever, and just really getting in control with your savings. um Capital One, they have a lot of um you know that you can apply and check out what's best for you, what's good for you. So, and then there's another one, it's called Perfay, which is kind of like a firm as well. You can shop with the Perfay. They have a lot. You can this we make everyday purchases more accessible and help you build credit. So shop, build credit, pay over time with your paycheck. You can even use your paycheck trying to pay this. They give you like a spending amount. It says unlock $1,000 to shop top brands in electronics, home goods, apparel, and more. And then you pay over time with no interest and fees. So it's really good. It's kind of like an affirm. So if there's a lot of brands as well, if you're already gonna be using and buying those stuff, might as well use this, and it builds your credit, especially if you're wanting to build your credit. So the perk pay is a good marketplace to have, and I like that there's no interest and there's no fees. So it's really good. They even have it's a Mastercard, so you can even earn 2%, rewards, which is really good to shop for favorite brands, products and brands on the per pay marketplace, and you can build credit. It tells you right here too. It's automatic payments from your paycheck. It makes it easy to build positive credit history. Your credit score increased by 36 points in average in 3 months, which is really good in 3 months. So there's a lot of testimonials here. So check that out. There's another one here I like to use. The also one of the fastest way you can build your credit. It says here there's a plans $5 a month, which is really good. It's not that bad. Um, it's a credit builder plans. So it tells you can track progress and tackle goal, build credit with rents. That's really good. They even, help you build credit while you pay rents, flag errors and file disputes. So they have all this pricing here. So it's really good benefits as well. Um, you can sign up with them and use their service, and they will, it tells you right here, no credit check, reports to all three major one, tools tracking. So it's a secure credit card as well. It says with perks like cashback, fee-free overdraft protection, which is really good. And early payday, you can even get money faster. The kick of secure card works like a debit card, but helps you build credit with everyday purchases. So it's the same thing. It's like a secure card, debit card, but it has rewards. So it's really great. And then the last one I have here is for subscription. If you're already using a lot of subscriptions, especially if you're using a lot, I would really, really recommend this because it does build credit fast. It says up to 44 points. It reports to all credit bureaus every month to help, and it says every month, so that's really good. establish, build, and grow your credit month over month. Especially if you have, this is the biggest thing that your credit score is based upon. Payment history, which is 35%, utilization rate, which is 30%, which so it's really good. It's not great if you're spending so much money on, your utilization rate. You don't want to use a lot of your, at least 20, maybe 30, the max, 30% of your credit line. Credit age, how long you've had the credit. The credit mix is only 10%, which is if you have different kind of, loans, home loans, credit cards, cars. So it's really easy to sign up. You can add all your subscriptions. So the more subscription you have, they have the pricing that you can sign up. And it tells you right here, it's like a debit card, MasterCard, but while using the debit card, MasterCard, and you're using it for your subscription, that will actually pay. Well, you use that to pay your subscription, and then after you use it, they will submit and report it to the credit bureau. So like this girl has 20 points in a few months, so the membership is really not that bad. There's even free one. It's only 4.99 per month if you have a lot, and it tells you right here 9.99 a month, especially if you have a lot of them. It says access premium services, even the cell phone bills. It's really great. $10 to build your credit every month is not bad, especially if you're already using a lot of subscription. So try that out. I hope. There's the last one actually that I also want to stress out. Credit. It's a credit builder loan. What I like about this is actually there's no upfront security deposit, so it's really good. No credit score required, and there's a lot of good testimonials as well. What it does is you apply for a loan that is held by our bank partners, pay off the loan. You have 24 months to pay off the loan. Each on-time payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. So you can even start with only $25 a month, and then by the end of that 24 months, you can get all that money back minus the interest and fees, and then you build your credit within that 24-month period, and then you get that money back. So I think it's around 600. So maybe let's just say their fees is $50 or whatnot, then you'll get 550. Let's just say that, but it's not too bad if if it helps you build your credit. Whatever that fees, probably not that much. It's building your credit in 24 months. It's really good, and you get all that money back. It's really great. So look that up. I hope it helps you guys. I hope you guys start doing this for yourself. There's a lot of places, there's a lot of technology out there to build your credit. It helps you in the long run save more money, get qualified for a home, cars, loans, whatever the thing that you need the credit for to get qualified for. And it really does save you a lot of money on interest too. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you please subscribe to the video, to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all.